Today we're unboxing the new ThinkPad T14s Gen 6, powered by Snapdragon X Series. I'm Blair Howe, the Senior Business Development Program Manager for the Commercial AI PC category.
And I'm Erin Celeste, Senior Product Manager for ThinkPad. We're excited to introduce you to this new addition to the ThinkPad family. The T14s offers a range of impressive features, so let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice is the packaging itself, as it's sleek and minimal, which aligns perfectly with Lenovo's commitment to modern sustainability. And all of it is 100% plastic-free and recyclable.
I want to talk more about the sustainability story in a bit, but let's start with perhaps my favorite feature of the T14s, its multi-day battery life. The ThinkPad T14s offers up to 28 hours of battery life on a single charge, which is the longest battery life in the ThinkPad portfolio. I'm loving this as it means I don't have to carry a power cord with me when I'm working on the go.
I completely agree. It's changing how I work, as I'm no longer worried about when I'm going to need to charge my device. One of the reasons the T14s boasts such a long battery life is because it's ARM-based, offering high performance with efficient power consumption. In fact, the T14s, powered by Snapdragon X Elite, uses up to 68% less power than its competitors, while offering up to 3 times longer battery life.
Remarkably, despite this outstanding battery life, customers won't sacrifice performance with the T14s. The Snapdragon X Series architecture ensures faster processing speeds and superior multitasking capabilities. Plus, with its 45 TOPS, or trillion operations per second, which is how we measure AI performance, the T14s can handle AI tasks up to 4 times as fast as the competition.
While we're talking about performance, I also want to discuss app compatibility. This has been an issue in the past, but with the Snapdragon X Series, you won't have to worry about apps not working or running slowly. Over 170 apps run native on ARM, including the most used enterprise apps, and the list continues to grow. This means top-notch performance for essential productivity, creative, and security tasks, allowing the customers to just focus on their work.
Let's talk about another important aspect of the T14s that will help customers get more done in a day: Copilot. With Copilot Plus, which is unlocked on 40+ TOPS PCs, users can easily create images, draft content, and even have live captions created from 44 languages into English.
We could be here all day talking about the great features available with the ThinkPad T14s. But before we wrap up, let's talk about sustainability once more. The T14s has the lowest carbon footprint in the ThinkPad lineup. It's ENERGY STAR and TCO9 certified for energy efficiency and made with recycled plastic, magnesium, aluminum, and carbon fiber. Couple this with its energy efficient battery, and not only are you getting a cutting edge laptop, you're also making a choice that's better for the planet.
And there you have it. We hope this unboxing video gave you a better understanding of all the reasons why we're excited about the ThinkPad T14s.
Lenovo.